I'm Kosta from Ford Know-How, and today I'm going to be taking you through the all-new Ford Ranger Stormtrak. The Stormtrak is the top of the range in the hybrids. It is a limited edition, and in fact the color and the spec that you're going to see here today is a launch special. I'm not sure how well it's coming across in the video, but this is a unique color. It's called Chill Grey, and it's exclusive and unique to the Stormtrak. What makes the Stormtrak a limited edition and what sets it out from the rest of the hybrids? A unique gloss black front grille with honeycomb accents and chill grey accents. The black Ranger hood lettering. Side and rear chill grey Stormtrak badging. Side decal. Gloss black rear bumpers. Exclusive 18-inch alloy wheel with chill grey accents. All-season tyres like in the video here, and an all-terrain option. Flexible racking system. Cargo management system. And on the inside, a chill grey gloss black accents. Chill grey with gloss black accents. Unique Stormtrak seats with grey accents. Auxiliary switches. I'm now going to walk you through the rest of the car and show you what else it comes with. Performance LED headlights with C-clamp daytime running lights. These headlights are also directional and have high beam assist. Front fog lights, park sensors, gloss black finish, and more chill grey accenting. The Ford badge, the 360-degree camera with washer. Stormtrak comes with a 2.3 litre turbocharged EcoBoost engine and a 75 kilowatt electric motor. When you put the two together, you get a total system max power output of 207 kilowatts and 697 newton meters of torque. So that's 138 kilowatts from the engine and 75 kilowatts from the electric motor. Moving to the side of the vehicle, we have unique black wheel arches. The PHEV logo. Gloss black mirror covers with your 360 cameras. Color-coded door handles with lock and unlock sensors. Black trim finish all the way around the glass to give a unique black look, and privacy glass on the rear window. Stormtrak has a fuel flap for petrol with an easy fuel nozzle, and it also has a charging port for an AC adapter. The AC adapter allows you to charge at home using this 3-prong. Basically, it's just like a charger. You plug it into the wall, plug it into the car, and it can charge the Stormtrak overnight for you. This AC adapter also allows you to fast charge it using higher speed AC charging ports. Stormtrak comes with an 11.8 kilowatt hour battery, which should take on a 7 kilowatt charger, should be able to charge in just under 2 hours. If you're charging it at home, maybe 4 to 5 hours. Even when the battery shows empty on the dash, the Stormtrak is still utilizing the battery in a standard hybrid mode, so a non-plug-in hybrid mode. This is a 7 kilowatt wall charger, which will charge the Stormtrak in under 2 hours. Moving to the back of the vehicle, you've got LED rear tail lights, rear park sensors with reverse camera, tow bar with your tow ball tongue and tow ball, can tow 3.5 tons, rear puddle lamp just next to your third brake light, and release handle. Stormtrak is fitted with Pro Power on board. It's Ford's unique power on board system that allows you to work and power your work site using your hybrid Ranger. It's fitted with 2 charge ports just there. These are both 15 amp charge ports, which means they can power heavy duty equipment. There's also a load switch, so if you overload them, there's a cutout switch which you can reset there and there. Stormtrak is fitted with an electric roller shutter that can be operated using this button over here or the key remote. Stormtrak has 4 movable tie-down straps that are mounted onto this rail and can slide backwards and forwards so that you can lock them into the position where you need them to be. The back seats of the Stormtrak are very comfortable and have a lot of leg room. They've got map pockets, a third charge point, USB-A and USB-C, as well as a reset switch in case you overload the charge point. Stormtrak is fitted with child tethering points as well as ISOFIX, which allows it to accommodate both types of child seats. Center armrest, which folds down and has 2 cup holders. The doors are equipped with a leather armrest finish, chill grey accenting, and a bottle holder. Gloss black trim around the air vents, Stormtrak badging on the front with grey stitching, top glove box, storage space here in between the 2 glove boxes, cup holder that pops out, and the second glove box. 8-way electric seats with lumbar support for passenger and 10-way for driver. Central locking switch, electric mirrors with fold back function, and electric window operations. Roller shutter operation switch, fuel flap release, front and rear fog lights, headlight selector with auto function, and your rear stat switch to brighten and dim the dash display. Driver's side cup holder, leather steering wheel with chill grey stitching, cruise control with speed limiters and lane keep assists, volume controls, voice activated controls, phone controls, as well as track skipping buttons and your onboard computer controls. Steering wheel is height adjustable as well as reach adjustable. Wiper stalk on the left, indicator stalk on the right. Electric brake controller with manual adjustment as well as setting gain. Digital portrait touchscreen with controllers at the bottom for the aircon. Wireless charging with a storage compartment and chill grey accents. This is your French fry holder, so they can hold your French fries standing up for real. That's like for real what the Americans call it. E-shifter, 2 cup holders, electric brake, electric park brake, your EV mode button, which allows you to scroll through the 4 different EV modes, traction control, self-parking and off-road button, 4x4 controller with drive mode selector, also has Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Digital main screen with a fuel gauge on the right and temperature sensors on the left. The EV modes are Auto EV, where the car selects by itself whether it should be using the battery or the engine. You get Battery Electric mode, where it favors just the battery. You have EV Later, where it saves the battery to be used later, and you have EV Charge, where you can ask it to charge the battery using the engine. On the main screen you have your 3 main buttons in the top right hand corner. The first one is your cameras, the second one is the vehicle and all its different settings that you can set, and the third one is the main menu. Inside the main menu you get all your normal icons that you would find on a Ranger, but the hybrid has a couple of unique ones, which is the charging one and the Pro Power on board. Charging gives you an indication of what the charge level is of the battery. You can see we haven't charged this one for the video, so it's showing 0. And Pro Power on board, which ideally needs the battery to be charged in order for it to work, but in this case it allows you to set and power up different sections of the car. So Pro Power on board will engage the rear power points if you put it into if you activate them from the screen, and you can also engage generator mode, which will power up the engine and use the engine to power the battery and power your tools and your work site. That's a wrap on our video on the Stormtrak. It is a limited edition, so hurry down if you want one of these. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.